Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll create two high authority do follow backlinks. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the whole video. Okay, so let's start the video. This is our first website. Many guys know about this website, but the way of creating backlink on this website is a bit different. Okay, it's you can use it as a guest post. So the DA of this website 87 DA and 9% spam score. Go to this website and just register. Fill up this form and now you log in. Okay, now go to dashboard, open a new tab and open this one and this one. Okay, because I don't know exactly from where you should start your process. Let me check. Edit root gallery. Okay, you have to start from here, and you can just verify this email. Okay, okay, verify this email. It's done here. Now if I refresh this one, it's verified now. Now you can add your website address here. Okay, I'll add my link here. Updated. So if I go to profile, I have my backlink here and it said do follow backlink. You can see it said do follow backlink. Okay. Now what you have to do uh, when you open this my gallery section, you have to open this one, and then what you have to do, you have to add some images. Okay, under your root gallery, open create new gallery. Okay, and I'll add here add graphics gallery. Okay, and then no, I'll add here add graphics gallery, and here only I'll add my name, and then I'll add some text. Sorry, remove this. Okay, update details. Gallery has been updated. Okay, it's done. Now contents, nothing is here. Now I'll add some images here. For that you can download any images from Pixabay or Unsplash. I already have uploaded some images here. You can change your title here. It's not important, but I'm doing this just to keep my uh, profile genuine. Okay, that's it. Now go to Pbase, or you can click on this button and then profile. and all galleries, and then click on this one. You can see my text is here, but have to add my link. For that, what I'll do, gallery details, I'll add my backlink here. You can add multiple backlinks, but don't spam. Update gallery details, home, profile. I can go here also, sorry. My galleries, click on this one, and this is my backlink. Okay, and say do follow backlink. You can see here, this is my do follow backlink. Okay, let me check on some other window. You can see it's a do follow backlink. Okay, now we'll talk about our second website. And our second website is this one, adobe.com. We all know about this website and the idea of this website, and you can index this backlink. Okay, so first what you have to do, go to this URL, then if you already have Adobe account, just you can sign in from here. If not, click on the join community and fill up this form. Okay, create account. Go to your email, refresh. I have my code here. I'll copy this one and then I'll paste it here. Now this will redirect me to the next page. Now you have to choose your Adobe ID. Okay, a profile is done. Go to this button, my profile, and now here click on this edit profile button and then add your bio here, and then I'll add my website address here. You can change your profile picture. I will not do that now. I'll just save my profile. Okay, and then go to your URL. Okay, here's your profile. This is your bio. One thing you have to remember here that this is a indexable backlink and it's a do follow backlink. Okay, you can see here it's a do follow backlink. Okay guys, these are our two high authority do follow backlinks. I hope you like this video. In our next video, we will talk some other interesting topics related to backlinks. Till then, see you and take care.